This is the Cebu Monorail Transit System, and it will be the largest rail project to be ever constructed in the region of Visayas. This massive infrastructure would span over 27 kilometers long and cost over 80 billion pesos. The entire framework is composed of two lines. The first will be the Cebu Central Line, which is over 17 kilometers long and has 14 stations. This will start from Talisay City and go way over to Talamban, Cebu City. The second route is called the Cebu Airport Line, and as the name goes, it will connect the city of Cebu and its famous Mactan-Cebu International Airport. This will have 6 stations and be 9 kilometers. A depot facility will also be constructed. It is where trains are maintained and stabilized. This would occupy at least 5 hectares of land and be near MCIA. The greatest factor is that this is designed to accommodate as plenty as an LRT system, yet it costs half of the estimated cost of a light rail. This proposed monorail is part of a larger